Hey guys, it's Kritika. Welcome back to my channel. I'm in New York City and in today's video, I'm gonna see how much I can get done in just $25. This is actually my second time visiting New York, and if you didn't already know this, New York is a very expensive city, so I'm not sure how much I can do in $25. But the good thing is there's lots of things to do here which are free or inexpensive, so I'm going to try to find those things for this video. I think one of my favorite things to do in New York City is to just walk around Manhattan because the vibe is amazing and the streets are just beautiful. But apart from that, there's so many other things to do here, and today we'll try to do things for like $25. $25 is like about 1800 rupees according to the current currency exchange rate, so that's not too much money, but let's see what all we can get done. The first place I'm at is Central Park. Even if you know nothing about New York City, I'm sure you've heard of Central Park. It's this huge park in the middle of the city with like amazing views of the buildings like you see in the back there, and the entry is absolutely free. Also by massive, I mean like 843 acres, which is huge. So if you had to walk around the park, it would take you many hours. I've been here before, but I absolutely love it, and I don't think you can like see all of it in one go, but I'm gonna go take a stroll and show you guys around. There's so much you can do in Central Park. They have a playground for kids, there's a zoo, they have a ton of like lakes like this one, and there's the Beatles strawberry fields, and the Metropolitan Museum is also connected to this. And yeah, they have like a lot of things going on in here, so you can easily spend hours here. I'm just walking up to the strawberry fields now, which I missed seeing last time. So John Lennon, one of the Beatles, was actually shot dead in the hotel right across it, so they've created a memorial for him, and I've heard it's really spectacular, so let's go check it out. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took So that building in the back there is the Dakota Hotel, which is where the shooting happened, and this is the memorial. So I'm done here at Central Park. I ended up spending like 2.5–3 hours just walking around, and I absolutely loved it. I'm just gonna take a subway now and head to Times Square, the most touristy part of New York. Now subway rides are typically $2.75 no matter where you take the subway to. I have a weekly pass which I got for $34, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna count this subway ride as $2.75. So yeah, we've already started spending from our $25 budget.
I thought that we had something special. I thought I handled this so well. I know we had the right intentions, but somehow it came to an end. I was looking for a remedy.
I've made it to 42nd Street, and Times Square is right down the corner, so I'm just gonna walk it to that place. But after all that walking, I've built up quite an appetite. Also, it's gotten really dark outside because it's winter. But anyway, I'm gonna go get myself some pizza to eat now. We all know New York is really popular for its pizza, and if you're on a budget, there are a ton of dollar pizza stores here where you get pizza slices for $1, $2, like really cheap basically. So I'm gonna try one of those right now. Thank you. $1 pizza. That pizza was so good. I don't think I'm gonna get pizza or any food for cheaper than that in New York City, so I think it was totally worth it. But anyway, I just walked up to Times Square. It is right behind me there. Let's go see what it's like right now.
Never know when
crowded and super touristy, as you can see behind me, but I feel like this is one place you have to visit if you're a traveler in New York, because the vibe here is just something else. It is so lively, so much happening here, and I know a lot of New Yorkers like don't like this place, but I love it.
I was looking for a remedy. Now I got a who's in front of me. I was looking.
There's honestly so much to do in Times Square. It's great for shopping. They have a ton of nice restaurants. If you're into Broadway, they have like a lot of Broadway shows. Last time I watched The Lion King, and this time I've booked tickets for Wicked, which I'm really excited for. But of course, that's not really in the $25 budget, so you're not going to see it in this video. But yeah, if you have the money for it, Broadway tickets are kind of expensive, but it's totally worth it. And close by, there's Bryant Park. There's also a New York Library, which is really nice, I've heard. So I think I'm going to walk up to Bryant Park now.
I was looking for a remedy.
So unfortunately, Bryant Park was closed, but I just spent the rest of the evening walking around Times Square and having such a good time.
I get a stable. I get a stable.
Alright, hold on, everybody. Hold together. 10 seconds.
To the beach, and you don't stop. Fly with y'all,
Hey guys, so it's a different day today. I really wanted to film this video over one day, but I feel like there's so much to do in New York City, and I really want to take my time with things because I'm here after a really long time, so I'm going a little slow. But nonetheless, I'm at this place right now called Hudson Yards, and that cool building behind me is called the Vessel, which is what I'm here to check out now. So I took a subway from where I was to the 34th Street and walked from there to this place. So that was like $2.75, which I'm going to cut from my budget. And I just found out that you have to book tickets online to go inside the Vessel. I'm not sure I'm going to get a ticket right now, but the tickets are actually for free. They have paid tickets as well, but they have like a free general admission ticket. I'm not sure I'm going to get it, but I'm going to go and try my luck now.
To the beach, wait, I met this girl when I was 12 years old.
This is honestly such a cool looking building, so impressive. I really hope I get tickets to go inside.
He pulls me down, I know I'm tripping, I'm falling in love with the drum breaks. She keep me safe from the gunplay.
Okay, so I ended up getting free tickets for 7:30 p.m. It's 6:30 p.m. right now, so I think I'll find something to do for an hour. Also, if you're wondering why I started so late today, I actually ended up watching a Broadway show earlier today. I watched Wicked, which was amazing. But yeah, that only got done at 5:30 p.m. so I got a bit delayed today. But nonetheless, I'm really excited I managed to get this free ticket, and I'm super excited to go all the way up. I think until then, I'm gonna go visit the Highline Park because it's really close by from here, and I missed it last time as well. It's a really cool park. I will talk about it more when I get there, but let's get going.
She feed my soul when I'm lonely. She keep me company. It's funny. I used to wanna grow older, travel with sight in these rounds, so they realize that she got me out of my mind. I'm trying to keep.
Made it to the Highline Park, and this was literally like a 2-minute walk from the Hudson Yards. And this is a really unique park because firstly, it's an elevated park. So like you can see, I'm like on the first floor. You can see the ground there. And also, what's unique about it is that this is built on a railway track. The railway track is not functional anymore, but what you see behind me there is the railway track, and they've just built a park around it, which I think is really cool. So this whole walk is like 1.5 miles long, and they have multiple different entrances at different spots. I got on the 30th Street, and I think I'm just gonna walk for a bit and then head back to Hudson Yards.
To grab hold to the microphone, got him nodding along. Maybe she'll save the world for me. Maybe she'll right my wrongs if I'm coming on too strong. Oh well, only way to tell is by saying this how I feel, and that's real.
I really enjoyed my walk at the Highline Park, but I just realized I haven't spent too much money from my $25 budget, so I feel like I'm gonna go to a cafe and get some coffee now. I love coffees, and I feel like New York has some amazing cafes, so you can't come to New York and not have coffee and visit like a nice cafe. So I'm just gonna walk around and try to find a cafe. This place called Blue Bottle Coffee. It's at the mall right next to Hudson Yards near the Vessel, and this isn't really a cafe, it's part of the mall, but it's super nice. And I got myself an oat milk latte. This was for $5.75, which if you convert to Indian rupees is a lot, but I feel like that's standard coffee price here in New York. And ever since I've come to the US, I've only been having oat milk lattes because oat milk is so good. I don't know if you get it in India, but I feel like I'm so used to oat milk now that I don't know how I'll manage in India. But let's try out this coffee now. This is so good. I love oat milk. So it's 7:30 p.m. right now. Time to go check out the vessel.
You say that you don't wanna leave me. Yeah, I need your vibration. It's all that I want. Yeah, it's all that I need. Got me going crazy.
Inside the vessel now, and they've got so many different stairs. It's super trippy. So I'm just gonna try to go all the way up and see what the view is like.
It's feel like wine with a Sunday brunch. Can I shine? Feel like everything might turn out just alright. I know I'm lying to myself.
The architecture here is so cool. This whole thing looks like a honeycomb, like a beehive.
Hint of the blessings, I'm living messy. Like every minute is a gift, it's a pleasure. Let's get together, let's spin us a smooth forever. Wait, pick up your mood. I know I lack the direction. Skipped on class at a lecture. Busy trying to get it together. Something clever, my notes are tethered to the reckless behavior.
Made it all the way on top, and I think this is the coolest building I've been inside. I can't believe how beautiful this architecture is.
With good intentions, smolder incense, good riddance to negative energy. Let peace, love, and serenity spill for me. None as ill as me, truth be told, barely real as me.
The vessel was so amazing. I'm so glad I visited. A lot of you guys actually recommended it to me on Instagram, so thank you so much for that. I think right now I'm just gonna walk around. I'm meeting my friend Anjana later. I'm staying with her in New York actually, and she goes to school, so she'll get done in a while. And yeah, we're gonna meet up and head to Brooklyn.
Loose on loose leaf, murder the goose beat. Shout to Mills on the cool keys. Ooh, she's feel like a cool breeze.
Walking around, I've ended up at Times Square again. I love walking in the city. I think it's my favorite thing to do. I feel like I'm gonna meet Anjana in a bit. I don't really know what to do until then. I wanted to pick up some souvenirs and fridge magnets and stuff, so I think I'll do that right now.
From the cove to the globe wide with an open eye and a smile, feel like everything might turn out to be fine.
Alright, so I picked up 2 magnets which were for $7. So I think right now I have $5.75 left. I'm gonna need $2.75 for the subway ride to Brooklyn, so I have like $3 more to spend now.
You do something special for me. You got what I want.
You can't come to New York and not have a bagel, so I've picked up a cream cheese bagel. This was for $3.5, so I feel like I'm gonna exceed the budget by 50 cents, but I think that's okay. This cream cheese is so good, it's so fresh. I can't tell you how amazing this bagel is.
I need your vibration. It's all that I want. Yeah, it's all that I need. Got me going crazy.
I just took a train from Manhattan to Brooklyn. I got off at York Street, so that was another $2.75. And I've got Anjana here with me too. And we're just walking up to Brooklyn Bridge. There's also like a spot in Dumbo under the bridge, which is really nice for photos. So we're gonna go there first. So that there behind me is the famous Instagram spot in Dumbo. In case you didn't know, Dumbo stands for Down Under Manhattan Bridge Overpass. So that there is the Manhattan Bridge. And we're also gonna go check out the Brooklyn Bridge. But first gonna take some photos here now.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And
I'm on Brooklyn Bridge right now, and we're walking from the Brooklyn side to the Manhattan side, and the skyline looks so beautiful. The last time I was here during the day, so I thought I'll check out what it looks like at night. And I personally feel like if you're only going to visit once, the daytime is much better because you get nicer photos then. But the skyline looks amazing at night, so this is definitely worth it as well. Also, this is absolutely free. You don't really have to pay for it, and the view is just spectacular. Let me show it to you.
we can do what we like, baby, while we're young.
So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I ended up going 50 cents over budget, but I feel like there's so many free things to do in New York City, and I absolutely had such a good time here. I had so many other things on my list, but because of the whole coronavirus situation, a lot of places are shut down unfortunately, so I couldn't do all of those things. Also, I ended up doing a whole like food vlog of New York City of what all I ate here, so be sure to check that out. And as always, if you like this video, give it a like, leave a comment, subscribe to this channel, and be sure to press the bell button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!